What is up, guys? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. I wanted to make a video for our customers that are purchasing products nationwide and they're installing it themselves about how to safely and efficiently and quickly walk through your attic without falling through the ceiling. So you can see I've already kind of trailed through this area, so it's a little bit easier to tell, but some of you don't even have plywood up here in the attic to walk on. But really what I want to show is when you're going to step off into the attic space, you want to make sure that you're clearing off a area where you know for a fact that you're on wood. Because the biggest mistake is people think that they're good when they're not. So like what I typically do is, see, like right here, I'm taking my foot and I'm clearing out a spot to where I can see. And then once you see that you're on wood framing, you're good to go. And typically your framing in the ceiling is going to run either one way or the other, vertical or horizontal. Or, you know, as you go from room to room, it may change, but always clear out the spot where you're going to step completely before you actually firmly put all your weight. And I'll even kind of test it at first to make sure I'm on a beam. But then you can do the same thing when you go into your next area like this. It's like that. And you can see this one's running vertically, so I can just keep walking across. Now I'm gonna step up into the next room, which you can see the framing is wide open. So this will be a good example to show you how it looks underneath all the insulation. All right. So as you can see, I'm standing on studs. Standard placement is 16 inches. Some homes have 24-inch stud placement. You can also walk across like your header beams, which is a little bit easier to identify. But the reason I came up here today is to drill through the ceiling for my in-ceiling speakers. You can see I have my speaker wire right there. So this is kind of just an overview to step up into your attic and make sure that you're not going to fall through into the floor below. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. If you would like to purchase a product and you live in the Dallas area or nationwide, we do have free shipping. And if you live in Dallas, we'll even install it for you. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Stay safe out there.